let's get some food going. I've got beer, sriracha, 2 cheese sticks, some expired chocolate milk, and leftover pasta. So, I've got to go grocery shopping, but this is probably the worst time to do it because I'm hungry. That's like the most dangerous game you can play. Whatever. The headphones, mainly so you guys can hear me better, and also people think I'm listening to music so they don't come up to me. So everybody wins. Fun fact, I used to work here. Having a good night so far? I don't believe in multiple trips. Even if I lose circulation in my hands, it's one trip or no trips. Or I don't know where I was going with that. The moment of truth. It tastes like Gino's East, not Giordano's. One of the LEDs on my taillight is out, and that drives me nuts because I kind of have like mild OCD, so anything little like that, it's not gonna fly. So I'm gonna go over to the dealership real quick and then see if, well, I guess pretty much see which organ of mine they're gonna take to fix it.
In your eyes.
6.5 hours later.
As it turns out, my taillight is not serviceable, so they're gonna have to replace the whole thing. And you wanna guess how much it is? $400? Are you kidding me? Story time.
Story time.
Let's go back to April of 2017. I was planning on taking a trip to Texas with my buddy Max and started doing a little bit of research on cameras and got one of these little knockoff GoPro cameras. Just looking back at my first video, my first ever video that I made, it's kind of painful to do because the video kind of sucks. But at the time, you know, I was busting my ass thinking that I was going to make like this studio grade video. It was pretty much the exact opposite. I think this just reminds me of like my start of getting into video editing. I'm pretty pleased with the changing quality of my videos. I know they're not where I want them to be, but we're getting there. I'm just thankful that I'm able to tell the story with the equipment that I have. I just wanted to take a second and tell you guys that because, you know, it's something that's important to me, and I really just wanted to key you guys in on how I got into this. Remember that video I told you about I was working on for the neighborhood association? I got to get a couple exterior shots of these houses that are going to be in the video, so running downtown right now just to get some of those shots. Hopefully the clouds are kind of not there when I'm filming.